Hi, my name is Huntley, and I'm here to teach you all about the letter N. Let's get going. This is the letter N. Let's learn what sound the letter N makes. To make the letter N sound, the tip of your tongue will touch the roof of your mouth behind your top front teeth. The sides of your tongue will go up too, and then let air come out of your nose. Like this. Mm, mm, mm. Can you give it a try? Go on. Nice work. Now let's look at some of the words that start with the letter N sound. Nachos, nest, net, nose, nurse. Those words all start with the letter N sound. Let's say those words together this time. Nachos, nest, net, nose, nurse. Nice job. Now it's time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word and you get to tell me if that word starts with the letter N sound. Here's an example. If I were to say the word necklace, necklace, and then ask you if that word starts with the letter N sound, you would say, yep, it sure does. But if I were to say the word book, book, and then ask you if it starts with the letter N sound, you would say, nope, book does not start with the letter N sound. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word, ninja. Does ninja start with the letter N sound? Yep, ninja does start with the letter N sound. Now for your second word, narwhal. Does narwhal start with the letter N sound? Yep, narwhal does start with the letter N sound. Let's try that one more time. Here's your last word. Pretzel. Does pretzel start with the letter N sound? Nope, pretzel does not start with the letter N sound. Nice job, guys. Thanks for joining me today to learn about the letter N sound. See you later.